So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very, very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the media short term, where the price for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about it, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, as you can see, Bitcoin has failed to regain its trend above the CPI indicator, regain its trend above this Bollinger Band, regain its trend above this Williams Alligator indicator, which now is resulting in a bearish move. Yes, guys, failing to regain its trend above 99,000 has started to show a bearish move, and this bearish move could be preparing ourselves for some worst case scenario. I mean, for the media short term, if we look at this Binance Bitcoin USDT liquidation heat map, you can see we have liquidity clusters lying around 93,000 here in a 24-hour time frame. I mean, this liquidation clusters could be attracting us here in the media short term around 93,000, but we know once this support around 93,000 gets broken, the next area of confluence for Bitcoin could be very, very bearish, invalidating this distribution schematic from Wyckoff, which we were expecting to play out in the media short term. I mean, to show a move towards this UTAD area, upper thrust after distribution, make a new all-time high in between 110 and 120,000, and only after that to start with a reversal. But looking at it right now, you can see, guys, Bitcoin looks like heading towards the next area confluence, 93,000. But for us, this 93,000 in the media short term is very, very important, because we know Bitcoin has failed to hold the support which we had from the symmetrical triangle. I mean, the lower trend line in the past price action acted as a strong support, which also resulted in a relief rally. But in our case, if you look at it carefully, this support has been broken, and Bitcoin also looks like heading to the downside. So according to this symmetrical triangle, since the lower trend line got broken, now we must be very, very careful, guys. As soon as the support, the last line of support which you have around 93,000 gets broken, the next area of confluence could be around 80,000, 85,000. Unfortunately, that's a bearish target which will be lining up for Bitcoin as soon as the support around 93,000 gets broken. And why? Because according to our leading indicator, CPI indicator, Bitcoin, after losing the support from this monthly S1 line, will be heading lower to test the next area of confluence. According to the month of Feb, you can see the S2 line sits around 80,000. Yes, guys, this will be our next area of confluence once the price breaks the support around 93,000, because we know Bitcoin is also following this bearish continuation pattern according to our Williams Alligator indicator. And I've been very clear with you guys, during uptrend you will see green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, but during downtrend you will always see blue line appearing at the top, green line at the bottom. So in our case, this is a bearish cross. Blue line is at the top, green line at the bottom. Now, the same trend line which during uptrend acts as a support will be acting as resistance, and price after that is expected to head lower. Failing to regain its trend above 100,000 means Bitcoin is preparing itself for a continuation, which could bring the price of Bitcoin in between 80,000 to 85,000, because we know parallelly beside the bearish Williams Alligator indicator, this is also a bearish Bollinger Band breakout. I mean, lower band usually gets broken when the price is preparing itself for a downtrend. During uptrend, you will see upper band breakout, right? So what does this mean? Since the lower band got broken, we must prepare ourselves for a continuation in this manner. If the price wants to invalidate this bearish move to the downside around 85,000, what must the price in the media short term do? The price must regain its strength above 100,000 or above the CPI trend line, above this Williams Alligator indicator, above this Bollinger Band. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. If the price in the medium short term manages to regain its trend above 100,000, then this bearish continuation pattern will get invalidated. Bitcoin will start following this Wyckoff distribution phase. Despite this being a bearish continuation pattern, for us, we are expecting a new all-time high and only after that a reversal. So that's why if we want to invalidate this bearish move, Bitcoin must find support above 100,000. Otherwise, this bearish continuation pattern known as ascending broadening wedge will also line up parallelly. I mean, this bearish continuation pattern has already started to play out. Now, failing to regain our strength above 100,000 means a continuation which could bring the price of Bitcoin around 85,000 before deciding the trend direction. But in my opinion, if the price does get attracted in between 85,000, I personally will start buying Bitcoin. I mean, I am prepared for this scenario. I mean, this bearish scenario. And why? Because I personally think 85,000 will be a great buying opportunity, because I think 85,000 for now will be the worst case target. I mean, that will be the bottom. And right after that, the price of Bitcoin is expected to hit higher, because parallelly in a weekly time frame, we can see if the price of Bitcoin starts breaking down, right, then you can see according to our bearish continuation pattern, 85,000 will be on the line. But after testing around 85,000, I personally think that will be bottom and Bitcoin will be heading towards to form a new all-time high. This is what I see. I mean, I don't see this as market top. I mean, bull market ending like this. I don't think so. I personally think that there will be another new all-time high, right? Even if the worst case starts playing out, there will be another new all-time high, and only after that we are going to see an actual reversal. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, you can see if the price of Bitcoin wants to invalidate the bearish move, we have to find support above 100,000. Otherwise, even this bullish continuation pattern, which is lining up right now in a daily time frame, will fail. I mean, Bitcoin is forming a falling wedge. Falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, but for this bullish continuation pattern to play out, it must break out of the upper band. Upper band is not just only the problem. I've been clear with you guys. We have to overcome the resistance which we have around 100,000. Once we break out of this upper band, once we flip this 100,000 into proper support, then I am actually expecting this continuation to continue from Wyckoff distribution phase. I mean, Bitcoin heading towards to form a new all-time high. Otherwise, failing to regain its trend above 100,000 means, despite this being a bullish continuation pattern, we are expecting Bitcoin to head towards this 85,000. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed your bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.